Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to this awesome YouTube channel. In this video I just want to change you guys mindset when it comes to trading. I know that a lot of people have had a series of loss that they haven't made a single dollar when it comes to trading. What causes that is the way you think about things. You need to change your mindset when it comes to trading, or when it comes to you trading binary.com. Full step which you want you to take, or what I want you to do once you are starting your trading, or you just pop in on this video, you want to start an online business, or you want to start trading business. So what the first thing which I want you to do is that once you are trading, or once you have started trading, you need to first change your mindset. So what is changing your mindset is that changing the way you think about things. When new people comes to trading, all they think is all about making that money. They don't want to invest the knowledge, they don't want to invest the practice, they don't want to be patient when it comes to trading. All they want is to make that money at that time due to one issues or the other. So I want you to start changing your mindset when it comes to trading. Don't think of you making money at that time. Even on binary trading and forex, don't think of making money. Don't think of any of your problem. Don't just do anything which you think not being right. Number two is that do not risk what you can afford to lose. When it comes to risking what you can afford to lose, some trade with their school fees, some borrow money from their friends so that they can make money in return and just pay them, just like you investing someone's money on a business, and then once you make your profit, then you give them back with neither their percentage or what you guys discuss about. So in trading, it doesn't work like that. It will fuck you up when you borrow money from someone, or when you use your school fees to trade, which I have tried and it didn't work for me. I used my school fees to trade, which I was really trading with emotion. I can't afford to lose such amount of money, which at the last I lost the money. So that's one thing, advice and experience which I have discovered when it comes to trading. Number three step, you make sure that you are emotionally free. What I mean by emotionally feelings is your psychology. Your dopamine response is your psychology. We are in the state that you know that you don't want to lose this money, or you have a certain setup or a trade, or you want to trade, you want to push a purchasing button, or you want to buy or sell, and then you have that dopamine response that this trade might lose, or this trade might not go on your way, which is not a proper way of trading. Before you trade, you must make sure that you have a proper knowledge. All strategy works, and there is no 100% strategy when it comes to trading. Binary traders, they normally look for 100% trading strategy. There is no 100% working strategy. I got to be sincere and honest with you. The other platform is like a gambling site where you risk big to earn small amount on a faster way. So there is no such thing like 100% working strategy. That's why sometimes you can win series of trade, and one loss you lose everything due to this. Your staking amount is much higher than your winning amount. So in the normal trading world, you don't risk big to earn small, you risk small to earn big when it comes to trading. So that's the number three. So the number four which I want to share with you guys is that if you are ready to trade, to make a trading career, just make sure that you create out a space of learning. Learning is very essential in times of business like trading. You cannot just pop in on a certain business and just want to make money on that. It doesn't work like that. Even on schooling base, you need to spend some years. You need to also pay school fees. You need to learn on like 5 years course or 6 years course to become a doctor, or to become a lawyer, or even to become a barrister. So even on a normal business, you need to learn those business that you are trying to make money from in the future time. So that aspect it requires on trading. You don't just come on trading and just want to make that money within a month. Maybe you had a 1 month mentorship course with someone and you think that in that 1 month that you'll be making all the whole money that you plan to make on trading. My dear, it doesn't work like that. Trading is a game of patience and a game of psychology. Even though you have a working strategy, you cannot use that your strategy without that proper mindset and with that proper mastering of what you are doing. So it doesn't work like that when it comes to trading. My dear, you just need to absorb more learning, absorb more. When it comes to absorb, it doesn't need learning multiple strategies or learning new things. When it comes to absorbing more knowledge is that you trying to backtest what you have learned, trying to practice all the things that you have learned about the market. You do it consistently on daily basis. You show up every day in the market. Even though you are having losing streak, or even though you are having losing days or losing months, you just have to be showing up every day. If you like this kind of content, just like and share. Peace up. See you guys on the next one.